Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have an unboxing here. It's a large box, so fortunately I cannot fit it on the table here. Kindly lent in by Saltzman's Watches, and actually there will be a discount code for this watch. Actually, this line of watches, 30% off the Citizen Promaster series. So I will leave that in the description. It's WTW30. It's a discount code. So I know this is a Citizen Promaster automatic, just not exactly sure which particular model it is, so looking forward to taking a look at it. I had considered buying one of these when they first came out. Just kind of fell off my list of priority, I guess, but really appreciate them sending this over, because I was interested in buying one of these for myself, for review, but we can just check out this one now. See, I'm a fan of Citizen watches, Citizen, Seiko. Alright, so here's the label. Let's zoom in on that. So it is the NY0155-58X B877-E03. Quite the long name there. Citizen Pro Dive 200 meter SSB bracelet. So let's set this outer box off to the side. I like these cases. These are a nice touch. Kind of looks like a Pelican case, but I'm sure it's not quite as crush proof or waterproof. Well, it does have a nice gasket in here. Yeah, wow, that thing's cool looking. Looks like to be either DLC or PVC coated black. I'm assuming that's a full lume dial. Yeah, it looks pretty slick. Let's wind it up here. I don't know if I'll be able to size it or not. We'll see. If it has tape and stuff on it, I probably won't. Anyway, let's unwind it. There we go. Can't tell if that's 8 beats or 6 beats per second. Oh, if you're curious, today I'm wearing the Tissot PRC 200. I was kindly gifted this watch by Mark, a subscriber. Greatly appreciate that. I'm going to be featuring this in an upcoming video here. Just wanted to get back on wrist for a bit. So I need to look into this. I think this is... I was thinking of a different automatic Citizen watch, but this is cool too. Yeah, I don't think I'll size it. It's probably a demo model. NY0155-58X. MSRP $695. So the 30% would be off of that price, or whatever's listed on their website. I'll leave a link in the description to their website, their Instagram, and then also for that discount code WTW30. I don't get a commission or anything off of that. That's just appreciation for you guys watching the channel, and again, appreciate Saltzman's for sending it over. Alright, let's get this on wrist and then we'll close out the video. Actually, you know what? I think I'll check out the lume here too. Gotta check out the lume on this, so I'll shut off the lights here in a second. I'm pretty sure I don't have any DLC coated stainless steel watches. I like this black. I had one a while ago, but I sold that one. Yeah, very tactical looking. And let's zoom out here, and then we'll zoom back in and check out the lume. Let me know what you guys think of this watch. It does have the 6, 7, 8 o'clock crown. don't think I have any watches with the 8 o'clock crown. I have the Ecozilla with the 9 o'clock crown. Maybe I'll compare these two watches. But anyway, all right, I'll be right back, and let's take a quick look at the Lume. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, if you have not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it. I'm trying to get over 3,000 and beyond here. I do have a giveaway for the 3,000 subscribers. But besides that, I do really appreciate you guys subscribing. It helps me out a lot. So I'll blast this with the O light here. Then we'll shut off the lights. So yeah, definitely a full Lume dial. This thing looks like it'll be pretty crazy with the Lume. Yeah, nice and bright. That is very cool. Very interesting. By eye, I can't see the date, but I can kind of see the date on camera. Yeah, this very nice Lume. So that will conclude this video. As always, thank you for taking the time, and thank you for watching.